Now Foods, Let It Be Organically, Organic Essential Oils Kit, 4 bottles, 1/3 of a fluid ounce, 10 milliliters, each. Product Overview Description: USDA Organic Certified Organic and 100% Pure. Leave your worries behind. Reconnect and be happy. Pure, organic goodness. Bring nature home with you. Certified Organic by Kai Caution, your stress may fade away. In today's technology-driven world, it's not always easy to stay connected to nature. If you can't immerse yourself in nature, let now bring it to you with our Let It Be Organically Essential Oils Kit. With just a few drops of the organic essential oils in this kit, you can always reconnect with the great outdoors and promote a healthy outlook as well. Organic Lavender Oil, Relax and Unwind. Lavandula angustifolia. Aroma, Floral. Attributes: Soothing, Normalizing, Balancing. Extraction Method: Steam distilled from flowering tops. Organic Peppermint Oil, Organic Goodness. Mentha piperita. Aroma, Fresh, Strong mint. Attributes: Revitalizing, Invigorating, Cooling. Extraction Method: Steam distilled from leaves. Organic Tea Tree Oil, Mother Nature Approved. Melaleuca alternifolia. Aroma, Potent, Warm, Spicy. Attributes: Refreshing, Cheerful, Uplifting. Extraction Method: Cold pressed from fresh fruit peel. Organic Lemon Oil, Organically Yours. Citrus Limon. Aroma, Fresh lemon peel. Attributes: Refreshing, Cheerful, Uplifting. Extraction Method: Cold pressed from fresh fruit peel. Suggested use: for aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients: Organic lavender oil. Organic lavender oil, 100% pure. Organic peppermint oil. Organic peppermint oil, 100% pure. Organic tea tree oil. Organic tea tree oil, 100% pure. Organic lemon oil. Organic lemon oil, 100% pure. Warnings: National essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or nursing, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Organic tea tree oil, keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or nursing, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Not for internal use. Organic lemon oil, keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or nursing, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Do not use on skin. Reacts strongly to sunlight and other sources of ultraviolet light. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.